Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a productive day. We have a lot to do. My classes started last week and I've already started putting off the homework, so I have kind of a bit of homework and I'm probably not gonna get it done, but as long as I do a little bit of each section, I should be good. And I also have to clean my house. It is a total mess right now and I'm feeling pretty gross about that. I didn't make a plan yet for today, but I'm hoping that cleaning up will only take like an hour or two and then I'll have the rest of the day to do my homework. Now, since I have a lot of stuff to do today, the logical thing to do would have been to turn my phone off and just get it done. But I also have to film a video for this week and get it edited by Friday because I'm gonna be gone over the weekend. And as you guys know, I film everything on my iPhone. By leaving my phone on, I'm running the risk of getting distracted and like going on my phone, watching YouTube on it, or like going on Instagram. I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but I decided to put it on airplane mode so that I can film while also being productive and like not getting distracted by my phone. I think that is it for now. I really just want to get started on cleaning because I hate having a messy house. Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, so almost just started filming while the vacuum was still on. I can't remember how long I said I would be cleaning for, but it's been almost 2 hours and my kitchen is like basically spotless. I have some homework due at 11 a.m. this morning, so I'm gonna work on that for a little bit. It's probably gonna take me like 30 minutes to an hour. I'm really happy that my apartment is clean and now I feel better about doing my homework now that my apartment is clean. I think that's all I wanted to update you guys on. Kind of dreading doing my homework, but I gotta do it. What up? So I just finished with the homework that is due today. I still have like an hour before class actually starts, so I'm probably gonna make myself some brunch. That's the thing about 11 a.m. classes, and this one lasts from like 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So it's either eat an early lunch or eat a really late lunch, and I would prefer to eat lunch before class starts so that my brain has some fuel. I'm just gonna make myself some pizza. Nothing too crazy. One thing about me is that I always have pizza ingredients just in case I get really lazy with making food, and so that I don't spend money on like takeout or anything like that. So yeah, let's make some lunch. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I didn't film an outro, or really I didn't film anything after class because I got caught up on using my phone and stuff like that, because I re-downloaded TikTok so that I can make a TikTok and it was just like a really dumb thing for me to do. But anyway, I just wanted to say a few more things. I think I just kind of enjoy talking to the camera just for no reason sometimes. Today is probably gonna be like an off day for me because I started off the day just watching YouTube and stuff, so probably wasn't a good idea, but hopefully I do get like at least a little bit of work done. I'm still gonna attend class. I think my main priority these days is just to attend class because I feel like I'm more behind if I just miss class to try and catch up. Really, I should be attending class even if I don't end up paying attention anyway. Yeah, I've just been kind of in a slump lately, which is not a good time because I have an exam at the end of this week, and I also mentioned that I'm gonna be gone for the whole weekend. So basically this video that you're watching right now, I have to be done editing it by Friday. I do feel a lot better about taking differential equations this semester because I feel a lot less pressure than I did last semester, because last semester I was also taking like 3 other classes, and then the way that my professor in the last semester was accepting homework was through this website called WebAssign. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but basically you have to enter in your answer for all the differential equations that you solve, and if you get like one little thing wrong, it like doesn't accept it. So all the work that you put into doing that one problem is just like basically gone because you didn't get the answer right. This time there's not as much pressure to do the homework, and he accepts these like little quizzes that are just like one problem, and I feel a lot better about it. And plus my class also has a Discord chat, so like the entire class is on this one server where we could all talk to each other about the homework and stuff, and I really think it's a great idea. So whoever came up with that idea, I'm so happy that you did, because I don't feel like I would be as confident in the class that I am right now. I think it's really important to have people to talk to about like homework problems and stuff that aren't the professor, because I feel like sometimes you feel a little intimidated asking the professor for help on homework. And also somebody actually recognized me in the class, which is so crazy because half the time I'm like not even in the screen. I'm like sitting on the edge, like sometimes I'm like this. And one of you actually recognized me and messaged me, and I really appreciate that you did that because it totally made my day. At this point, I have 429 subscribers, and even though that doesn't seem like a lot on the internet, if you put 429 people in one room, that is kind of a lot of people. But I'm very, very happy that I have this channel, even though it gets really hard sometimes to make videos. Sometimes I really don't feel like it, but when people come to me saying that my video really helped them out, or like they comment on my video, or they even like message me on Instagram or Facebook, saying that my tips help them out, it really makes everything worth it, because the whole goal of my channel is to help people out. I have so many other hobbies. I'm into cars, I'm into reading, I'm into playing video games, mainly Animal Crossing. I like watching YouTube videos. That's a huge time suck. But for some reason, I'm just like really drawn to helping people out. It really just makes my day when I see people benefiting from the tips that I give. And sometimes I feel like I give like way too many tips to my personal friends. So that's kind of why I make these videos, so that I could just like give my advice to everyone without feeling like I'm talking way too much. What I'm saying right now is kind of all over the place. I think everyone could use some advice on how to improve their life. I think confidence goes a really long way. The basis of a lot of my videos is like having the belief in yourself and the confidence in yourself that you can do all of these things, because I've always just been that person that was just kind of like floating through life, not really thinking about what I was doing or thinking about the grand scheme of things. And after watching other productivity YouTubers, I was very inspired to take control of my life and do more things that will contribute to my own happiness, as well as make my life a lot more fulfilling. I don't know if any of this made sense. I'm kind of just talking just to talk at this point, but my goal for this channel is to inspire people and give people the confidence to take control of their lives and do the things that they really enjoy. But if we're talking numbers, I would really like to get to 500 subscribers by the end of next month, and then 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, just so that I could have like a community tab, because I'm pretty sure that you can have a community tab once you get to 1,000 subscribers. I kind of want a community tab so that I can do polls of videos that I'm thinking about doing, but I'm not sure like which one people would be more interested in, because everything that I do is geared towards like what you guys want. So having a community tab, I feel like will help a lot in gauging more of what you want. Hopefully it made sense what I said, because sometimes my brain is like running like 1,000 miles per hour and I can't talk fast enough for like where like my mind is bouncing around from. Everything is just always jumbled up in my brain. That's just how my brain works. But anyways, I'm gonna end this right here because I'm gonna talk so much if I keep going. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find inspiration. I hope you feel more productive after watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, because that helps me out so much, like more than you actually realize. Also leave a comment if you have any video suggestions. I would really love some more suggestions, even though I can think of things, you know. And also subscribe, because I post new videos every Sunday at 9 a.m. And if you're a forgetful person like I am, click that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.